we do here is go back.
Hey guys, Shell Zelda here. Yeah. Apparently I didn't make an intro video, so I'm just gonna start you guys off with this weird clip here that has nothing to do with the hair I'm about to put in. Yeah. I don't know, I just wanted to show off real quick the wig I made for my mother. That's why I look like, Sister Bartley from church in the third row, who gives you that stern look for overpraising God. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Anyway, guys, enjoy this little clip and then on to the next clip about the actual hair. Duh.
Okay, so I had crocheted the hair in my head, and this is the Kima Braid Ocean Wave. It's a different type of ocean wave. No guys, this is actually a wig I made for my mother using the spring hair. If you see my video on the spring hair, I did spring twist back in October. It was like in the sandy color. Yeah, I don't know. I'll insert a clip of it, a little bit of it. If you've seen that video, this is the same hair. It's just that I cut these in like 3/4. Let's say the whole spring twist is this long, and I cut and cut. So because my mom is 60 years old, God bless her. She just turned 60 in March, and she don't like long hair. She likes it short and sassy. So I tried my hardest to make this short and sassy, and she wanted the gold clips. Listen, I tried to put them on, but doing gold clips on the spring hair is really hard because it's springy. But let me show you the back. I hope it looks okay so far. This is Zia, and this is her wig, and I'm trying it on. I just want to make sure it's okay. I'm not perfect at making wigs, so if it looks a little funny in some areas, my mom is not picky. She just appreciates that I make her wigs for her. But I just wanted to come on and show this. Oh my gosh, this is funny. I don't like it on me. It's too short. It does age me a little bit, but on my mother it looks really nice. It does. It looks better on her, but I just wanted to come on and show this wig I've been doing for my mother. But I'll be back when I start crocheting in the Kima Braid Ocean Wave, which is probably going to be tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow, or 5 seconds.
2 hours earlier.
24 hours later.
Okay guys, I'm back. It's the next day and I waited pretty much all day for this. I ordered it from Amazon and UPS took its sweet time to get here. It is 6 o'clock at night and I work tomorrow. Great, just great. But anyway, I got the Kima Braid Ocean Wave. This is what it looks like in a package. The Kima Braid Ocean Wave. This is in 1B, of course. And I haven't done this in a long time. I've never done the Kima Braid Ocean Wave for my channel. I did this before I started YouTube, so you guys never seen me. But this is how it looks. It's nice, a nice body wave. It is pretty. I actually enjoyed it. I wore it short. If I could find the picture, I'll put it in. But I wore that hair short, and I'm gonna try to do this long. I kind of want it long. I don't know if I'm gonna cut this in half or leave it like this, because if I do it this length, I have 4 packs, so I'm probably gonna have enough. I don't know if I want it this long. So what I'm gonna do is take like one section out to see how it looks cut in half. So if you're ever curious to know how a hair looks short or long, just take a strand or 2 out of it and cut it and see how you might like it. So this is cut in half. I think this is decent. I'll do the cut in half because the length that it is now, that's too long, and I'm gonna end up cutting like 2 inches off. So the lowest point is gonna be down, basically down here, and back here will be down here. I wanted it a little bit longer, but to be honest, I don't think I could do one strand that long. So I'm probably just gonna cut it because I do want it long, but this will be a little too long for me. So I'm just gonna do literally a few here because I'm like in a rush. I gotta go to work tomorrow. I'm coming back from vacation and this hair came very late today and I'm frustrated about that. So I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 on camera because I've done crochet on camera quite a few times. So if you want to see any of my other crochet styles, I'll link them in the video down below. So I'm just going to spray it with water. That will help it like clump together a little bit better. Yeah. And I'm not going to do them too small. Uh-oh, it's raining. Uh-oh. If you guys don't know and you're new to my channel, I love rain. Okay, I did it this thick. So I'm just going to start here. I already did my cornrows from yesterday. Oh man, I haven't done crochet hair in a long time. It's been a minute. Oh, I was supposed to do the double knot. You know what? I might be okay with just that. I might be okay. Okay, let me do another strand. Yeah, I might show myself doing this, but fast forward it because I'm really in a rush and I really gotta get this done in a timely manner. So let me not, you know, do that. I'm supposed to do like 1 or 2 knots. 2, 3. I'm supposed to do like 1 or 2 knots. That's how you do it, Michelle. Or else I'm not gonna do that one over. If it comes out, it comes out. I'll fix it. But yeah, I'm not gonna do them too small because I need to hurry up. Can you focus, camera? Show you that. Okay. 1, twist 2, twist 3. Cool. Oh, oh, yeah.
Ooh, ooh, yeah.
Cruising USA. I don't know. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna continue off in the living room. I'll probably record my progress and just fast forward through it, or I'll just come back when it's completely finished. I'm sorry this video is like rushed, but it's like late for me and I gotta get up at 5:30 in the morning and I'm slow with hair. So I'll be back either in the living room doing it or when I'm finished. See you then.
The next day after work.
Welcome back. I'm finished with my hair. It's a whole lot of hair, if you could tell. I look crazy right now. No, it's a whole lot of hair because I filled it to capacity, all right? But yes, I'm finished and it's full. I used pretty much 2 3/4 of a pack. Basically almost 3 packs. This is what's left of the 3rd pack. I didn't fully finish using the whole 3rd pack, but this is what's left. Oh my God. My God. So let me show you how it looks in the back. Yeah, it's nice and full. I don't know how it looks. I really stuffed the daylights out of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the mousse that I always have, the Vigoro mousse. I'm gonna use this and put a ton load to calm it down. Even though I love the volume, you know, I need to cut all the loose strands out and pull it out. So do this on camera. Do it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Okay, we need to calm you down just un poquito, okay? A little. And this will definitely calm it down and give it a little shine. Cause it's a little dry. The hair is nice though. I love this wave. Oh my gosh. The hair is nice, but it is dry. It is dry. Look at all these hairs that are coming out because, especially the back. I done messed up in the back a few times. So I want to get all the hairs out, and then of course I'm going to trim. I'm not going to cut it short like I always do, but I'm going to try to just trim the loose strands out. Because, yeah, I'm going to have quite a few. I'm kind of sloppy when oh my God, I'm sloppy when I do my hair. Y'all understand me? I am not neat. One of the first hair YouTubers I started following before I even started my YouTube channel, her name was Lonnie. I forgot her name. I'll put it in the text across the video. But I used to watch her. Oh my gosh, she's so neat with her knots. I am not even close to how neat she is. She's very neat with her knots. I might link one of her videos in the description down below because you guys got to see how neat she is if you've never seen her before. So let me do. I am kind of sloppy, kind of messy. I'm not the neatest person. My knots are all over, especially in the back. Oh my gosh. Now the front, the knots, let me put some. Really, Michelle? Really? Let me put some, get some mousse here. Get the front of my hair. But yeah, I'm definitely not neat at all. I can admit that. But you know, I'm trying to get better. But I suck at neatness. Yeah, get all that extra hair that I didn't catch in the knot. It's not shedding. I hate when people say, oh, it sheds. This hair is cool, but it sheds because, I just took this clump out. Y'all see it? Crochet hair is going to shed. You know why? Because your crochet, whatever you didn't catch when you were knotting it, is going to come out. So it's not the hair's fault. Okay? It's your fault. If you caught a good amount of hair when you were knotting it, then you won't have that much that comes out when you pull it. It's not like it's on a track. Now, if you have hair that's on the track and you pull it and that's shedding, but you can't say that crochet hair sheds because it's not on the track. So it's up to you to catch all the fibers when you're knotting it, or else you're gonna have loose hairs. So yeah, I think this definitely calmed it down. I wish I should have took a picture of how my hair looked earlier, how much hair I didn't have in my hair. But it definitely wasn't as full as this. I love this. Yes. No, I really do like this. So now I'm gonna try to. I'm not gonna really cut my hair. I just have to like trim some of these straggly ends, and they're straggly because of me. I'm very sloppy. I'm like, I need to be a little bit more neater with my hair. I've always been like that, unfortunately. And you would think, as a 33-year-old, I would learn my lesson. Of course I didn't. I'm feeling, sister, feeling it. Oh. And there you have it, guys. I went ahead and pinned, I put a bobby pin at the top and I pinned the side right here. Now, if you watch any of my other crochet hair videos, not the crochet with the kinky twist, crochet hair videos, you guys would know that it doesn't bother me that my braids and cornrows show. That don't bother me. I always look at it, it looks like it's micro braids or something like that. But if you guys do this hairstyle, you could do this a lot better than I did. I have gaps in between my braids because in this area I don't have that much hair. So my spacing on the side of my head is usually empty. But it, like I said, it doesn't bother me. But I love how this came out. Oh my goodness. In my opinion, I like this better than the Kima Braid Ripple Deep. This is the Kima Braid Ocean Wave, and I love the deep wave. Oh, I love this. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you probably in the review of this video. Okay? I'm probably going to do a review of this hair in another, hopefully last more than 2 weeks, because I really like this. I'm not going to want to take this out, baby. I'm hoping it's longer than 2 weeks. And the reason why I say 2 weeks is because usually this part in the back gets nasty, okay? It gets nasty. But I'll see you guys in my review for this video. If you have not done so, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that like button down below, yes, and let me know if I was to show so my channel can grow and I can go ho ho. That made no sense. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a video. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next hair, gaming, or comedy video. Thanks for watching. Peace. Sister looking yeah. I might get a date or something. Probably not.
Nope.